Good morning, students. Welcome to your English language class. Today I am going to explain pronouns. That is your chapter 6. So, children, what do you understand by pronouns? Pronouns, a word that is used in place of a noun or a phrase that contains a noun. Examples: he, it, her, me, them, etc. These are all pronouns. Here, rewrite the sentences using the words in the box to replace the underlined word. So children, in this exercise we will replace our underlined word. We will replace our underlined words in pronoun. So Pankaj. Pankaj is a pronoun here, but Pankaj is a boy. So for the males we always use, for the boy we always use he. He is a pronoun of Pankaj. He wanted to learn. He wanted to learn more about dance. So this was the pronoun of Pankaj. After that we are going second point, the football players. Children, there is so many players, football players. So players, in the place of players we will use they, because players are plural there. And for the plural, if there is many people, we will use they in the place of players. They will practice. They will practice of Friday evening. After that, third one, the final song in the play will be sung by Annie. So the final song in the play will sung by Annie. Annie is a girl. Wherever there will be any girl's name, we will use in this place she. We will use she for the girl. So the final song in the play, we will write like this. The final song in the play will be sung by her. So her is a pronoun of Annie. Fourth one, the bird built a nest under our bedroom windows. The bird. The bird, for the animal, children, we always use it. It is the pronoun of the bird. It built a nest under our bedroom window. So in this way, children, you will complete your exercise. After that, we are going some learning points. The word that you need used to replace the underlined ones are all pronouns. Pronouns are used in place of a noun so that we don't have to repeat the same nouns too many times. Like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, me, him, her, as are called personal pronouns. They are used in place of persons or animals or things. Now we are going on exercise A. Rewrite the sentences using pronouns in place of the nouns underlined in the sentences. Number 1. When the dog saw the boy, the dog began to bark. So children, there are 2 times dog. But whenever we write our pronouns, we always use one time our noun. So in the second place, the dog, we will use it. We will write like this. When the dog saw the boy, the boy It began to bark. So we will use it for the dog. After that we are going second point. Last night Nakul sang so well that everybody praised Nakul. So Nakul is a boy, so we will use him. Last night Nakul, because children, Nakul we can't write again and again. Nakul sang so well that everybody praised him. In the place of Nakul we will write him. Him is a pronoun of Nakul. Third one, Miss Mirza is the secretary of the association, so everyone listens to Miss Mirza. So children, Miss Mirza here they can write 2 times, but to Miss Mirza we will use what? We will write like this. Miss Mirza is the secretary of the association, so everyone listens to her. We will use her in the place of Miss Mirza, because her is the pronoun of Miss Mirza. So in this way children you will complete this exercise. Now we are going learning points. Look at these sets of sentences. This is my house. This house is mine. Mine is a what? Mine is a pronoun here. Those are Maya's football shoes. Those football shoes are hers. Her is also pronoun here. These are your storybooks. These storybooks are yours. Yours is pronoun here. So children, in the second sentences of these sets, mine, hers and yours, replace my house, Maya's football shoes and your storybooks. Mine, hers and yours, they are replacing house, Maya's football shoes and your storybooks, since these words are used in place of nouns. These were also used in the place of noun children, and these are also pronouns. Pronouns that show belonging are called possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun, what do you understand by possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun, a pronoun indicating possessive, means possession means the state of having or own something. So that is called possessive pronoun. Here some examples. Each possessive pronouns can replace a specific personal pronoun. We can replace our personal pronoun into possessive pronoun, like I. Mine is a possessive pronoun of I and me. His is a possessive pronoun he and him. It is a possessive pronoun of it. Theirs is a possessive pronoun of they, them. Yours is a possessive pronoun of you. Hers is a possessive pronoun of she, her. Ours is a possessive pronoun of we and us. So in this way children we will learn these exercises. Now next one, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. In this exercise we will fill our pronouns, suitable pronouns. Number 1 is the doll belongs to him. The doll belongs to him. This doll is his. ये उसकी doll है. This doll is his. Now next one. This is my dog. This is my dog. It is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun of mine. Mine. Third one is Fardeen and Meenal own this bench. This bench is theirs. After that, fourth one, I am reading my book. Ask Purab to lend you. So, I reading my book. Ask Purab to lend you. Mine. Here we will use mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun of mine. Fifth one, this field belongs to my family. This field is mine. Here is also we will write mine. I have brought my bat. Have you brought yours? Yours is a possessive pronoun of you. Now after that we are going exercise 6. Complete the paragraph using suitable pronouns. Tina and Tamal were brother and sister. One day they. We will replace our pronoun brother and sister. In the place of brother and sister we will use they because they are plural. That's why we will use they here. Returned from school. They were hungry because there were two people, brother and sister. They were hungry and went to the kitchen. They saw, उन्होंने देखा, again they saw cat there, and it was because there is a cat, and for the animals children we always use it. It was drinking the milk mummy had kept for them. This is the possessive pronoun of they. Tamal started screaming. They had always been afraid of cats. Tina loved it. They spoke to it softly. So children, in this way you will complete this exercise. After that we are going learning with ladybird. Learning with ladybird, we use reflexive pronouns to talk about the person who did the work. So what do you understand by reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun is normally used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject. Each personal pronoun such as I, you, he and she has its own reflexive form, like I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. Here is some examples with the pictures. I cut myself a slice of cake. Myself is a reflexive form of I. Here, you helped yourself to biscuit. Yourself is a reflexive pronoun of you. He looked at himself in the water. Himself is the reflexive pronoun of he. The wet dog must dry itself. So itself is a reflexive pronoun of dog. So in this way children you will complete it. After that we are going reflexive pronouns. Complete the sentences with the reflexive pronouns. So the children is a plural here. That's why we will write themselves. Lara is a girl here. So with singular and with a girl we always use herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun of Lara. Themselves is a reflexive pronoun of children. Now after that, fourth one, I didn't look at in the mirror today. I, myself. Myself is the reflexive pronoun of I. Fifth one, the dog washed and then went to sleep. The dog washed its. Its is a reflexive pronoun of dog. Now write complete sentences, use reflexive pronouns. One has been done for you. Tom hurt at the park. Tom hurt himself at the park. Second one, Evie enjoyed at the library. Evie enjoyed herself at the library. After that, the cats wash in the garden. So we will write the cats washed washed themselves, because there is many cats, not here is no talking about one cat. Themselves, selves, themselves. So children, in this way you will complete your exercise, and this is your pronouns. So thank you so much children. Hope you all are understood. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.